Hey everyone, hope you're doing great, and this is Keerthi Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So in case if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also do like this video in case if you like it. And yeah, so I have done this blue smoky eyes party makeup look, guys. We are actually heading out to Ravi's friend's place for dinner. So I thought like, okay, let me just doll up and let me take a video. So yeah, this is the look that I'm wearing for dinner today. So I hope you love this look, and in case if you do so, please don't forget to hit that like button, guys. So without any further ado, let's get in the video. Firstly, I'm going to start my makeup by applying a concealer on my eyelids. So when you apply concealer on your eyelid, it acts as an eyeshadow base, and it also covers all the pigmentation that you have there. Now I'm taking up this shadow from Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and the shade is called Venetian Red. I'm taking a lid shader brush and I'm applying that on the crease, and I'm blending it out in windshield wiper motions. Basically, I took a lid shader brush because I want my crease to be a little bit defined and sharp. So that's the reason I have took a brush that has a defined sharp edge. You can take any brush that has a sharp edge to make your crease line a bit more sharp. Now I'm taking up this color which is called Real Guard from the same palette, and I'm applying that on my crease area with that's a blending brush. It's actually a precise blending brush. I'm basically mixing the shades, guys. So when it comes to makeup, it's all about experimenting with colors and mixing colors. So basically I'm mixing the color. One is a burnt orange color and the other is a reddish pink color. I'm mixing two shades to get the desired color on my crease line. Now I'm taking this blending brush which is from a brand called MOTD, and that's a clean blending brush, guys. There's no color on that, and I'm just smoothing my crease color over there, just blending that in circular motions and making my crease color a little more smooth. If you observe, I'm just giving gentle circular motion kind of strokes over there so that it gives a more neat finish on my crease area. Remember, guys, when it comes to eyeshadows, literally when it comes to makeup, blending is the key. So take your own good time for blending. So I think you can observe the difference between the other eye crease and this eye crease. Now I'm taking this Marc Jacobs black eyeliner pencil, and I'm gonna line my upper lash line a bit. I'm not really concerned about the neatness of the liner now, because anyway I'm gonna smudge that out. So I'm just randomly applying that there. Remember, guys, you can use that's a blending brush again. Okay, remember, guys, you can take a brown pencil or a black one, that is of your choice. But if you want your eyeshadow to get that more intensified look, then you prefer black, because when you apply any colored eyeshadow on top of a black liner, your eyeshadow will pop like crazy. Now I'm taking that blue eyeshadow from the KKW into Mario palette. That color is so stunning, guys. The pigmentation of that color is amazing. I literally love that palette so much. And I'm taking the same lid shader brush and I'm applying that color on my lid area. So if you observe, I'm not dragging the color. I'm just pressing and giving a gentle drag motion over there, because I want the color to stick onto my lid and I want the color to get more intensity. So I'm gently pressing the color there. And remember guys, layer the color. Just look how much intensity you want and layer how many times you want. So when you apply your lid color, there are chances that your crease color may lighten a bit. So I'm going back with the ABH palette and I'm actually applying that color on my crease. Now I'm taking this blue glitter liner from Urban Decay. The shade is called Spandex and I'm applying that on my blue eyeshadow. If you observe guys, I am not actually rubbing the thing there. I'm just gently placing the glitter on the blue eyeshadow with a brush. So don't drag it, just gently place it. By the way guys, these glitters are so stunning. There are different colors in it again. And that I'm using for my brows. I'm taking the Bobbi Brown cream brow thing and I'm applying that on my brows. So I took a ELF brand brush for my brows and I'm filling in my brows with the cream color brow thing. Now I'm taking that brown eyeshadow, dark brown eyeshadow from my MAC palette and the shade is called Embark. That's actually an eyeshadow and I'm using that to fill in my brows guys. So remember, when you use a cream product anywhere, you have to set that with a powder product. So before I have used a cream brow thing and now I'm setting that with a powder thing. Okay, I'm taking my NARS Radiant Longwear foundation and I'm dotting that all over my face and I'm going to blend that out with the damp beauty sponge. And remember guys, when you're working with the sponge, don't drag the sponge, just gently press the product in so that you will not displace a lot of foundation. And I'm also taking a brush and I'm applying that foundation on top of my brows to just get a neat finish. Now I'm applying my KKW concealer, creamy concealer, and I'm applying that on all my high points. Like that is under my eyes, bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my cupid's bow and on my chin and also around my mouth area. And again I took the same sponge and I'm gonna blend that all out with a damp sponge. Remember always that your beauty blender should be a damp one guys, never blend with a dry one. And remember to press the product in and not to drag the product. For contouring, I took the Ruby Kiss Cosmetics cream contour palette. So sorry I didn't show that in the video clip. And I'm applying that with a Sigma brush. First, I'm placing the product in my desired region. Later I'm going to blend that out. So I'm placing that on my forehead as well and also my chin and my jawline, and then I'm going to blend that out with the same brush. So I'm taking another side of the brush and I'm going to blend that out. You can also blend that thing with your beauty blender guys, but I'm feeling more comfortable by using a brush, so you can just use whatever you are comfortable with. Now I'm also contouring my nose. I just took the same cream contour thing on a precise brush and I'm applying that on my nose. I'm blending my nose thing with a beauty blender again, or a cosmetic wedge, whatever you call it. to set all that contour in place, I'm taking this powder bronzer which is from MAC, and I'm taking this angled brush which is from Sephora, and I'm gonna place that on all my contour areas, that is in my cheekbone and on my jawline, on my nose, everywhere where I have applied the cream contour. I would suggest anyone who wants a good contour brush, prefer a brush that has a good angle, because you know, working with an angled brush for your contour will be damn easy, guys. You can place the contour powder exactly where you want it to be. So prefer an angled contour brush. Basically that is a blush brush from Sephora new collection, that is a limited edition brush. But you know, you can multi-purpose with the brushes, guys. Multi-purposing is all about makeup. And I'm also contouring my nose, and I'm using that brush which is from Urban Decay. That's actually an eyeshadow brush. As I always say, multi-purposing is the key again. And I'm setting all my concealer in place by using a loose powder which is from Krylon. And I'm also applying a bit under my contour area so that my contour looks a little bit sharp and defined. Taking this blush from MAC Cosmetics, which is called Fluor Power, and I'm going to apply that on my cheekbones. I'm taking an angular brush which is again from Sephora, and I'm placing that on my cheekbones. Now I'm taking up this highlighter which is from the brand called Alexi Beauty. It's a UK brand. And I'm applying this highlighter by using a blending brush on my high points of my face, that is on my cheekbone and also on my bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, on my chin and on my forehead. Just see the glow of this highlighter, guys. This is so stunning. This highlight is so good that it isn't patchy, it isn't very powdery. It's basically a creamy powder highlighter. So it doesn't actually accentuate your texture of your skin. Applying the highlighter on my whole bridge of the nose, I'm just applying that on the tip area. And for this look, I'm using this MAC Meher lipstick, guys. This is one of my favorite everyday kind of pink lipstick, and it is one of the favorite lipstick by MAC Cosmetics Mickey Contractor. And I'm also applying a little bit of highlighter on my cupid's bow by using a shader brush so that the look looks, you know, amazing. Yeah, I'm also applying the same highlighter as my brow bone highlighter again by using a lid shader brush. You can use any brush, guys, any flat eyeshadow brush or any angular brush, anything works there. And then I'm taking the two shades that I've used on the crease with the Sigma brush, and I'm applying that on my lower water lash line to give a good dimension to my eyes. And I'm taking a MAC mascara. This mascara has got two wands, guys, one for your upper lashes and the smaller one for your lower lashes. And I'm applying some good coats of mascara on my upper lashes now. Now I'm taking the other wand, which is a small wand. I'm applying that on my lower lashes. I'm applying the Glamify Beauty eyelashes for this look today.
I've applied the glue and I'll be sticking that on my eyes.
I hope you love this look, guys, and in case if you do so, please don't forget to hit that like button and also do subscribe to my channel so that you can get notifications when I upload a new video. And also, in case if you want to get your bridal makeup done by me, do DM me on my Instagram or my Facebook page, Keerthi Kumar Makeup, or mail me at keerthikumarmakeup@gmail.com. So yes guys, that's all for this video, and we'll be seeing you soon with another video, guys. Till then, have a great day. Bye.